Hi everyone, so today I'm here to talk about three of my most favorite lip glosses at the moment. If you know me, you would know that how much I love lip glosses. So I'm going to talk about three of them today, which I'm currently enjoying using. So the first one is one by Maybelline Lifter Glosses. So I have made a separate dedicated video of the same on my channel long ago, but this is a new edition. Unfortunately, this hasn't yet launched in India. This is a gift from one of my friends who had come from Canada, so she had brought this for me. I wanted to show you the beautiful color. So by itself, it's a beautiful color and very suitable for English skin tones. My god, this is called Tuffy. Okay, so this is by Maybelline. I hope that this particular shade launches in India pretty soon, because I think this is unmatched, because the color is so suitable for brown girls like me. So I'm gonna swatch it even more to build the color. You can very well pair this with a suitable lip liner of your choice, which would be in the same color category, and then it's going to look even more. And another great point about this one that I want to mention is that I have seen the tint. It leaves a very beautiful tint behind, even if this gloss fades out gradually while eating or in the daily chore. But this is a very long-lasting formula, I would say. So it's a big thumbs up from me, and if you get a chance to grab this one, just don't think twice before going to this color. This is Tuffy by Maybelline Lifter Glosses range. So now moving on to the next shade, but before that I'm going to use my micellar water to remove Tuffy from my lips. Okay. So now as it is removed, I'll move on to the next one, which is by Huda, and it's called their Faux Filter Glosses, and the shade that I have is called Foxy. Okay, so this is a very warm brown tone, so I have decided to pair this with a similar colored lip liner. It's from Mars, the Age of Desire lip liner in the shade Chili Red, and I want to line this and then fill it up with Foxy by Huda. Let's do that. Okay, I don't want to fill it up, otherwise you won't be able to understand the color. So this is Huda Beauty Foxy. So this is Foxy on my skin, and I think it looks really nice. What do you people think? Let me remove this and come up with the last one that I have in the list. Okay, so I have removed Foxy as well from my lips with the micellar water. So the last lip gloss that I have, I don't know what to call it, a lip gloss or a lip balm, because it's both. It's by ELF. It's called their Pout Cloud Lip Plumping Pen, which recently got launched in Nykaa. You can go and check it out ASAP. And the color that I've got is called, let me just find the color, Plum on Over. And like, I have a predilection for everything that is plum in color, because I feel that just complements my skin tone extremely well, and that's why I have picked it up. And let me tell you, this has a very tingling sensation because it just helps to plump up your lips as well. So that is something I absolutely love. So let me just put it on and show you. this, you know, click, click, click. What do you think? It looks almost like toffee. This has a cooling sensation, a little plumping. This is how it looks. This is e.l.f. Pout Cloud Lip Plumping Pen, and I think it's going so well with my skin tone. So I would want to know which one among the three that I have showed today would you like the most for your skin tone, for your liking. Please do let me know in the comment section. Actually, I've got a lot of other lip glosses which are there because I love to wear lip glosses, to tell you the truth, but I can't cover all of them in one single video, so, and that is not doable as well. So that's why I have decided to come up with a second episode of my favorite lip glosses where I'll cover the rest of the ones. Okay, like I've got few from Roman, few from e.l.f., few from NYX, and of course Fenty that I've already shown you again, but those are also included in my favorite category. So I'll do another video. Maybe 2 or 3 episodes are required to cover all of them. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.